Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here a day again. So you guys, of course, we are going to be cooking with Ada today. So today we are going to be making Ogbono soup. For those who are not Nigerian, Ogbono soup is a native soup from the Igbo land, precisely in Nigeria. So this is what we are going to be making today. You eat that with swallow, just like most of you have been seeing the egusi soup challenge and everything. So this is one of the soups as well. So let me show you guys how to make this soup, and this is all you will be needing for it. You have your ogbono, you have your crayfish, you have your goat meat right there. I'll make sure to leave everything down below as well, so you can get everything in details. So this is my goat meat already sauced with just Maggi and pepper and all that, and it's ready. And this is me blending my ogbono in my blender. So I also have my onion, and then I have my spinach, because here in the US I couldn't reach the normal leaf they use in cooking it. So spinach also is what's it called, is also an alternative. Yes, so spinach is also an alternative if you don't have the normal leaf you use in doing that. So I'm cutting up my spinach. So you remember, in this recipe you need your ogbono, you need your Uziza seed grounded. I already have mine grounded. You have your Okpei, what we call Okpei, you have your crayfish, you have your palm oil, you have your stockfish and your dry fish as well. So in this pot I let my pot to heat up, and then I'm going to pour in my oil. You do not leave that to, like, you know how you leave your oil for so long, you don't leave that for long at all. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my onions, and I'm going to leave that to cook just for like a few seconds or a minute. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my blended ogbono, and I'm going to cook that as well for like 5 to 10 minutes, or rather fry that as well. I don't know if it's called it fry or cook, but whichever one, I'm going to do that for 5 to 10 minutes. If you do it so long, like if you fry it or cook it for so long, it's going to get burnt, and you don't want your ogbono tasting like a burnt. It will just make the whole taste go like off. It will just be tasting like burnt food, and you won't enjoy it that way. So this is the Okpei. I am going to be mixing it right now. I don't have like a mortar and pestle, so I would have blended it in with the ogbono, but I didn't. So I'm just going to be dissolving it in this water so I can pour it in my food. So you have several methods, whichever way you feel you want to do it. You can either blend it together with your ogbono, or you can just do whatever you want. Now I'm going to be pouring in my meat stock from the goat meat. That's the goat meat stock. I'm going to be pouring that in. I had to take away my meat because my meat is already done. You don't want to put everything in and your meat will be like overcooked. So I'm going to be putting my meat stock only, and I am also going to be putting the Okpei as I said earlier. and then add a little bit of water depending on how you see it. This is also adding my stock from the stockfish and the dry fish. So I'm just adding anything liquid that I have. I am adding everything in right now. So I'm going to leave that to cook, so just it gets into the taste, like it brings out the flavor that way. That's how I would put it. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my crayfish, my Uziza leaf, and my Cameroon pepper. This is a black pepper, we call it the Cameroon pepper. I love cooking ogbono soup with a touch of Cameroon pepper. It just has this taste. I don't know how to explain it, but I love it that way. So I'm going to turn this and cover it and leave it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the consistency, this is how it's looking now, and you will see how it will be looking after 10 minutes. So this is it after 10 minutes. You can see the consistency now, it's turning to what it's supposed to be. And it just depends on how thick you want your ogbono to be or how watery you want it to be. This is just the consistency for me. I don't like it too thick and I don't like it too watery, just somewhere in between. And then after this, I'm going to be adding my stockfish and my dry fish that I have already cooked, and then also adding in my goat meat. And of course, this ogbono soup, you can use whatever meat you want. I just love the goat meat in it. That's just how I want it. I either use goat meat or cow meat, so whichever one you prefer. You can see the color of that ogbono. That is because I did not, you know how you leave your ogbono to burn so much, I did not leave that to burn, and that is why you have this beautiful color right here, and it's looking so good. Oh my god, you guys, this was so good. It tasted so good. Of course I have already finished eating it, but I'm just letting you know it was so good. So after I left that to boil a while, after putting the meat and now opening it, and I already turned off the stove, so I'm now putting in my vegetable. Why I did that is because I don't want my vegetable to be too cooked, you know. I don't want it to be too cooked. I still want it to be fresh and green. That makes the color beautiful. So, and that's just the way I like doing mine. You can do whatever you want, but that's just the way I love doing mine. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I hope you like this video and you like my method of cooking egusi. If you have your own method as well, please do leave it in the comment section down below. Let me try. I'm just open to anything. I love cooking, obviously, so I like trying out new things, new method of cooking things and all that. So leave that in the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you guys in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe if you haven't done that already. If you're new on here, my name is Ada, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Don't be stingy. Share this video with your friends and family. Like this video, leave a comment, do whatever you want to do with this video. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.